Hello children, today I am going you to teach example number 3, how to draw flowchart for the problem find the greatest of two numbers. Before starting flowchart, first you have to decide how many types of and how many number of input you will take. According to this question, we have to find the greatest of two numbers, so number of inputs will be 2, and these values or these inputs will be stored in two variables. So for 2 inputs 2 variables, for 3 input 3 variables, and so on. Okay, because I have taught you that all the values are stored in variable. So let us start making flowchart. First of all, we'll start with a start button. This is my start button, oval shape, and the next step will be to take input. So see the symbols. For taking input, we will write read A and B. Means these are the names of a variable where some value is been stored. Suppose as a programmer, value which I have stored in A is 5 and for B I have stored 7. So these are the values I have stored in A and B. Now this is my flow line. I will connect flow line. Now I have to take some decision. So this diamond shaped box is called decision box. Here I will write is A equal to B. Now it will move on to two sides. One side, this side. Now this is for no side. Right here no, and this is for yes part. Now let us take decision. Is A is equal to B? By seeing the values, my answer is no. Means A is not equal to B. When I am on no part, again the flow line will continue, and again I have to take one more decision. So you have to make one decision box to make decision. Here one decision you have to take whether A is greater than B or not. Now again see your value. In A 5 is stored and in B 7 is stored. So is A greater than B? Again two lines will move on, one for no and one for yes. So in this case, is A greater than B? So I will move on to no part because A is not greater than B. Then this flow line, it means it is proved that what is greater? B is greater. So this is my output box. This is my output box which will print B is greater. And after printing, after getting output, this flow line will come and it will join with the stop box. Okay, this is one condition. Now let us take another condition where the user has entered the value 15 for A and 7 for B. Now this is another condition. Now when my inputs are changed, when A becomes 15 and B becomes 7, then what happens in this case? Is A is equal to B? Again my answer is no. Then after moving on to this part, is A is greater than B? Then my answer is yes, because now the values are 15 and 7, so my A is greater than B. Then I will ignore this no part and I will move on to yes part. In yes part, it is proved that A is greater than B because you got the answer true. Now here you will get printing in the form of output box. Output you will get that A is greater, and then this will come and join with the stop box, means your program is ready. But take one more condition. For example, there is one more person. For the same program, he has entered the value A is equal to 17 and B is equal to 17. Now both the values are same for A and B. Now as soon as you will enter the values for A and B, you will move on to decision box. Is A is equal to B? Now in this case you will get answer yes. In this case you will ignore this part and we will move on to yes part. In yes part, when both the numbers are equal, then simply my output is what? You will print one output, what? That both numbers are same. And after this, after getting output, this will also simply, it will also be joined with the stop box. my program is clear. Okay.